In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a signature in Google Docs. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, professional-looking signature to any document, whether it's a letter, a contract, or a simple approval form. Let's start right inside your Google Doc. Open the document where you want to place your signature and scroll to the exact spot where it should appear. This is usually at the bottom of the page, under your closing line, but you can place it anywhere that makes sense for your layout. Click once so your blinking cursor is positioned exactly where the signature needs to go. This helps Google Docs know where to insert the element we're about to create. Next, look at the top of the screen and go to the Insert menu in the toolbar. A long list of options will appear. From here, you want to choose the option that lets you add a drawing. Select Drawing and then choose New. This opens a separate drawing window on top of your document. Think of this as a blank canvas where you can actually sign your name, using your mouse or trackpad. Inside the drawing window, look for the Line tool in the toolbar. Then open its drop-down and choose the option called Scribble. Scribble lets you draw freehand, so your mouse or trackpad movement will turn into a smooth, continuous line. Once Scribble is active, move your cursor into the blank area and slowly write your signature, just like you would on paper. Take your time here. It might feel a bit strange at first, especially if you're not used to signing with a mouse. If the first attempt doesn't look right, don't worry. You can press the Undo button or simply delete the scribble and try again until you get a version you're happy with. You can also adjust the line thickness and color from the toolbar if you want your signature to stand out more or match the style of your document. When you're satisfied with how your signature looks, click Save and Close. The drawing window will disappear, and your signature will automatically appear in your Google Doc, right where you placed your cursor. From here, you can click on the signature to resize it by dragging the corners, or drag it slightly to fine-tune its position. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a signature into Google Docs, using only built-in tools, with no extra software required.